Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today, as you can see, I'm at the foot of Mount Blanca, getting ready to do some spring cleaning. I picked up this new toy the other day. It's called a Jet Fan AirMaxx A1. And I've been playing around with it a little bit this morning. It's really neat. Let me show you how it works really quick. So there's a light inside there that toggles on and off. And then there's a slide here that increases the speed of the air. This thing is completely made out of heavy-duty durable material, so you can probably just throw it in with your toolbox, use it to clean up job sites and stuff like that. The way it charges is with this little port right here. But I've got some cool ideas on how to use this thing. First thing we're going to do is clean out my camper, so let's get it going. This April will be 3 years since I converted this cargo trailer into a camper with the help of my parents and our good friends Dick and Donna back in Michigan. I'm actually getting ready to do some more camping around mid-March while I finish building my house. Anyway, my new AirMaxx Jet Fan did a great job with blowing out all the dirt and dust. I was even able to easily clean underneath and on top of the mini fridge. I think it would have worked slightly better if I had installed the attachment. So later on in the video, I'll show you how well the light works in low light conditions. Also, if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, this item is available on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description of this video for you. Since I recorded this video yesterday, I've been able to brainstorm a few more ideas as to how this fan could be used. It would be great for blowing the dust out of your desktop computer, cleaning all the hard-to-reach places in your car, cleaning out air filters, your kitchen drawers, and your toolbox. As you can see, it did a great job with cleaning out my camper. Now I want to talk about another use that I found for this fan. I recently had some sliding glass doors custom built for me by the Amish. And these are amazing sliding glass doors. They're double paned. They cost $2,000 each, so I obviously want to maintain them as good as possible. In Blanca, Colorado, it's super sandy and super windy. So as you can see, the sand builds up. This is only probably 3 or 4 weeks since I've been out here, so it builds up quite quickly. So I wanted to blow out all the nooks and crannies and keep the window functioning properly. I wanted to show you there are all these little gaps that if I don't get the dirt out of there, I'm assuming they will at some point corrode, and which obviously isn't a good thing. So it builds up everywhere, on the inside of the windowsills and on the outside, and this fan with the attachment on it did a great job. I was even able to get inside of my windows. I only have 2 windows that actually open, but there was a little bit of dirt and sand in there as well. So the next use I want to talk about is my suitcase. Every time I come home from vacation, it's always full of sand. And they're so awkward to handle, there's really no easy way to clean them out. So I thought, let me give it a shot with this little jet fan, and sure enough, all the beach sand just came flying right out of there. I was hoping we'd have a little bit more sunshine today so I could show you how beautiful Mount Blanca is, but you can kind of see the elevation is just over 14,000 feet, so it's quite a large mountain. All right, what's up next? Oh, so if you've got low light conditions, this is my Google Chromebook, and once in a while I'll be eating dinner and crumbs kind of build up on the inside, and this fan does a great job, and the light does a great job as well, just blowing the screen and the keys out. So when I got home, I realized that this jet fan actually attaches to the tripod that I typically use for my camera. So you can mount it to your tripod, and that would come handy if you are doing any kind of photo shoot where you want the girl's or the woman's hair to kind of blow back. I think that would be a great use for that. As you can see, this little guy has many uses, but believe it or not, I've got a couple other ideas as well. I'm going to use it to clean off the lens of my Sony Handycam. If you do any video recording outside and you face the camera into the sun, all the dust on the lens will just magnify and make the quality look horrible. So let me go ahead and clean that off really quick. Also, I brought my computer keyboard. This thing has been getting not working as good as it used to be, so I figured I would go ahead and clean that out as well. I also have a Google Chromebook that I plan to use this on, and I'm also going to use it to clean out the cup holders inside my car. But I'm very curious to know if you've got any other ideas as to how I might be able to use this little guy. It's a pretty amazing little tool. Drop any of your ideas in the comments section. I'd really appreciate it. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.